So, you would like to make some workflows for your collection. First, find the relevant collection. Then navigate to the configuration panel by clicking the three dots in the top right of the window, and then clicking on the configuration cogs. Select the Workflow tab on the left-hand side. Click the toggle switch to turn on workflows. Click the button to add stage. Name the stage and give it a color. For example, let's call this stage Draft. Click OK. Now let's add some more stages. Let's call this stage Submitted and pick a color of your choice. And further stages Approved, remembering to select a color if you would like. Another stage will be called Denied. This one feels like it should be red. And the final stage will be called Paid. These should be all of the stages required for this particular example. Now that you have more than one stage, you can set which stage flows to which other stage. To set the next stage for a workflow, click the three dots on the right of the stage and click Edit. At the bottom of this pop-up window, click the arrow next to Next Stages. Use the drop-down to select the next stage, in this case, Submitted. Now click Add. Name the button that your team will use to navigate between stages. We will call this Submit. And set its color. Then click OK. You can now see that the draft stage says that it leads to the submitted stage. You can even have multiple buttons progressing to different stages. Let's add a branching pathway for the next stages. We want the approver to be able to approve or deny an expense. So, we will set the submitted stage leading to approved or denied stages. Let's name these buttons Approve and Deny, using appropriate colors to indicate. You can set permissions for this action so that only the expenses admin can approve or deny. Click OK. Now we will set the next stage from approved to paid in the same manner as before. Now let's try these buttons. Open the expenses record that you would like to submit. Click Submit. As you can see, this expense now says it is submitted. Now let's try and approve an expense. As you can see, this expense has been approved. Great, we've created a custom workflow for our team to manage the expenses process. You should be able to create your own workflow now. What will your team create with our workflow feature? Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy tailoring Kinabase to your business needs.